Hello and welcome to the initial setup of your Wayroo app. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to sign up for Wayroo and ProPay. Before we begin, let's go over some information you will need prior to your account setup. If you operate your business as an LLC or corporation, your employer identification number, social security number, banking information, routing and account number, a payment method for your account setup fee of $7.50. Once you have this information ready, we can begin your Wayroo sign-up. First, you will create your account using the consultant back office. Once your account is created, you will receive a welcome email to access your new Wayroo account. If you do not see this email, you may want to check your spam folder. In this email, you will find two links that will allow you to download Wayroo from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, you will then open the Wayroo app and click Sign In. Please note that the Wayroo application will not automatically use your consultant back office password by default due to security reasons. Because of this, you will need to select the Forgot Your Password option. You will now be prompted to enter an email address. Enter the email address you used to create your consultant back office account. You should then receive an email with a password reset option. If you do not see this email, you may want to check your spam folder. Click the link provided in the email to be directed to the page where you will create your Wayroo password. This can be the same password as your consultant back office account, or an entirely new one. Neither option will affect your consultant back office password in any way. The password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 digit, and 1 uppercase letter. If you happen to receive an error message that reads "Token expired," try returning to the email and opening the link again. If the issue is repeated, try returning to the Forgot Your Password page and sending the password reset email again. Once you have successfully set your password, log into the Wayroo application. Your username will be the email address used to reset your password. After logging in, you will see the page for Step 1, Store Contact Information. The account information and store information fields have been auto-filled based on the information you provided in the consultant back office for your Wayroo account. Confirm that these fields are correct and click Next to move on to Step 2. Step 2 will prompt you to set up shipping options. You must enter at least one of the following options. Option 1. If you only utilize one flat rate shipping cost, enter your chosen amount in the 0 ounce line. Option 2. If you use multiple shipping rates, enter those by clicking the green plus next to Add Weight and assign your chosen amounts to each. Option 3. If you offer free shipping for orders exceeding a certain price, use the toggle button next to Free Shipping Over Amount to activate this feature and enter your chosen amount. Once you are happy with your chosen shipping options, click Next to continue to Step 3, Store Policies. Step 3 contains another set of fields that have been auto-filled with default policies for shipping and returns that can be changed at any time in Settings if needed. If you would like to edit these, you may do so based on your company's policies. Clicking Next will bring you to a screen that reads Apply for Credit Card Processing. You have now reached the Sign Up for ProPay. This step allows you to create a merchant account, which you will need for accepting credit and debit cards for payment. But first, we'll need to get to know you a bit better. Please enter your information in the About Me section. The required fields are legal first and last name, title, social security number, date of birth, and a phone number. Once these fields are completed, click Next. Next, enter your business information. Estimate sales and customer transactions information. If you operate as an LLC or corporation, enter the name of that entity in the Legal Business Name field. If you have not formed an LLC or corporation, you operate your business as a sole proprietor. As a sole proprietor, you will enter your personal first name and last name in the Legal Business Name field and your Social Security number in the Federal Tax ID or EIN field. For all business types, the business DBA name is the name you use to advertise your business to your customers. Please note, the name you enter here is what will display on your transaction receipts and on your customer's bank statements when you process a customer's payment. When entering your business address and business mailing address, please remember that these cannot be a P.O. box. The selection below, Estimate Sales and Customer Transactions, includes 3 more fields. The first one is Monthly Sales Estimate. Enter your average monthly sales volume in this field. For example, if you average $10,000 per month in sales, enter 10,000. The second one is Average Expected Customer Transaction. This is the average individual sale. For example, if your average sale is $25, enter 25. The third and final field in this section is the Largest Expected Customer Transaction. This is the largest single transaction for one customer. If you have accepted credit cards before, please enter the largest transaction amount you have processed in the last 6 months. If you have not processed credit cards before, please enter a reasonable single transaction amount you anticipate processing in the next 6 months. All fields on this page are required. Once you have completed all fields, click Next to continue on entering your bank account information. The information you provide for this section will be for the account in which you would like to transfer funds to and from your business. Please enter your bank name, bank account type, bank account ownership type, bank routing number, bank account number, and confirm the bank account number. Once you have completed these fields, click Next. Hang in there, we've almost completed the onboarding process. Next, you will see the Fees and Terms and Conditions page, which will show information about setup and processing fees that apply to your ProPay account. Once you have read and accepted the terms and conditions, you will see the option to purchase a card reader to use for in-person transactions. If you do not need a card payment device, select I don't need a card reader. If you change your mind and need to purchase a card reader at a later time, you can do so through your settings. After opting in or out of purchasing a card reader, click Next to move on to the final step and view your order summary. This page will display the payment amount of $7.50 that will be charged for the one-time merchant account setup fee, as well as the amount for the card reader, if you choose to purchase one. Please review and confirm all information on the screen and select Make a Payment. Then enter your preferred payment information and confirm the payment. We have now reached the end of your sign-up process, but we would like you to do one last thing. To ensure you have successfully completed your sign-up, please click the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and navigate to Settings. You should see Congratulations displayed under Sign Up Status. So, congratulations! You have successfully completed your sign-up for the Wayroo app and ProPay. We are so happy to have you. You're now able to use the app to sell your products.